Hi, hello, and welcome to the Mendez family. Today we are going to show you how to make the Anglo Indian style ball curry. Let's get into the video. These are potatoes and it is not boiled. We just cut it. After cleaning it, we just cut it and we have put it in the water and kept it. Ginger garlic paste. 2 to 3 tomatoes cut, coriander leaves, 6 tablespoons of coconut oil, chili powder 2 tablespoons, coriander powder 6 tablespoons, turmeric, spice powder that is garam masala, and 2 onions finely chopped, soaked tamarind, and the mince meat which we got from the shop. It is not as fine it has to be, so we had to put it in the grinder again and make a fine paste of the mince which we received from the butcher.
My Nana is gonna teach me how to make ball curry today.
The ball curry.
Let's light the stove today. As the oil is hot, add 2 finely chopped onions. After the onion is golden color, you can add the ginger garlic paste.
Her granny is teaching her how to prepare
So the onions are fried golden. So now we can add the ginger garlic paste. Then you can add 6 tablespoons of coriander powder, and mix it well. Mix it well, and you must add chili powder, after you add the coriander powder, you must immediately add the turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. And next 2 teaspoons of garam masala and mix it well. So if you want, you can add a little water. Just to make it a little soggy, we've added water. cups of water, and then I've let it to bubble. If it bubbles, you can off the stove. It should become like this. And now we will add this inside the minced meat. Everything?
No,
Half.
little.
Till now?
For 3/4.
2, 3/4.
Hey, what curry there?
Yes. There is curry.
Little take it. Enough.
Now what should I do?
Now I'm going to mix the. Now I'm going to keep it aside.
So I'll keep this aside.
Now I'm going to light the stove.
I like this.
Now we light the stove. And then mixing.
High or low?
Low flame. Now
So we should just leave this.
just and then put the tomatoes.
So they are chopped.
How many tomatoes? 2.5 to 3 tomatoes.
So my grandmother has chopped 2 to 3 tomatoes. 2 to 3 tomatoes. Now I'm gonna add in.
It depends on the number of people in your family. If you want more curry, you have to make more, cut more tomatoes.
This curry is over. You have to keep that aside. So I'm gonna add water. How much water should we add, Nana?
See how much gravy you want.
So how much gravy you want, you can add water. It's your choice.
Add fully then.
So we're gonna add the whole thing because we're a big family.
Now blow the stove.
So I've lowered the stove.
Fully low down.
Fully loaded.
The bubbles. Feel that bubbles.
So till the water. So I'm gonna pour a little more water to increase the amount of the curry.
The quantity of the curry. How much?
Okay?
Okay, now gravy now.
More water has been added to check the thickness of the curry required. So it depends on how thick you want the gravy to be.
So my brother is going to mix.
The mince and the paste which we prepared.
We have to mix it all together.
It should be well mixed. The paste, the spice paste has to be mixed nicely with the mince. So Roshan,
So I'm mixing the minced meat and the masala that we have prepared by our Nana's recipe. So after
So you add the salt inside this meat. 20 balls. So I'm going to add all the 20 balls. So now I'm going to add the unboiled potatoes, chopped potatoes.
Skip to the ender. Skip to the ender. Skip to the ender, ma'am. Then pause it now.
7. It should add 9 potatoes, chopped potatoes. 9 chopped potatoes.
9 pieces of potatoes. Still boil up.
So we have to mix it gently because the balls might break. Mix it well and add salt. We're gonna add salt. How much teaspoons should we add, Nana?
This is Himalayan pink salt, so you have to add little extra.
Because the taste won't come. So
You're adding pink Himalayan salt.
adding pink Himalayan salt because the Himalayan salt doesn't have a lot of taste in it.
But it's healthy.
But it's healthy.
Add little extra.
Add little extra of Himalayan salt. So mix it well. After that, just
Cover the lid. Mix it well.
so you have to mix the what is this?
Tamarind.
To mix the tamarind. We have soaked the tamarind in the water. So you have to mix it.
A big lemon-sized tamarind was soaked for from the time we started cooking. We soaked it, and we have to smash it well.
And when it's
strain it.
thick, you can just-
That white strainer, white big one. That won't go easy. Mashing it well.
Strain it. The water should go inside the curry. And the water should go inside the curry. And if the potato is boiled, if the ball is also boiled. Now after adding the tamarind water, you have to mix it well and close it. And if the potato is boiled, the meatball is also boiled.
To add to the thickness of the curry, we're going to add coconut paste. Let's add some coconut paste. To bubble now. Paste. Some bubbles. We're going to add coconut paste.
We garnish the curry with coriander leaves at last.